Wow! So ayun nga Mark, ito yung pagkain natin.
Yes.
Take note guys, ang mga pagkain na nasa table natin for today is ito yung mga nag-participate doon sa TTKD October Feast natin.
Yes, despite na talagang wala tayong physical celebration ng TTKD, naisip pa rin nilang gawin ito.
So take note, while we are having this feast and recording this vlog, nag-live naman tayo dun sa TTKD natin online. The spirit is still there, iba nga lang yung setup natin.
Yes.
So guys, again, ang gagawin natin today is we're gonna taste testing everything. Yung lahat ng mga isang package actually yun.
Actually, ito yung laman ng packages na for 1,000 pesos. And ang kagandahan nun, the proceeds will be going to the JCI Angeles City Culiat Community
Project.
Project.
So, you have mga rice meals, you have some dessert, you also have some seafood. This one's a siopaw.
Yes.
Yeah. One by one, we're gonna be taste testing them. At the same time, papakilala po namin kung sino yung mga participants natin for the charity. Okay, let me start with this one. This is from Racio's.
Yes, that's sisig. So,
Sisig,
syempre, yan yung pinaka-familiar natin. And yung akin naman is yung from Taramen.
Taramen. Okay. So, syempre guys, dito sa Angeles City, yan, hindi patatalo ang the king of all dishes, sisig. So, all started here.
Yes.
If I'm not mistaken, sisig na to.
Actually, yung food natin is good for 3 to 4 packs.
Yes.
Depende sa appetite ng mga kakain.
Gusto ko naman tikman itong ano nila, seafood stuff.
Yes.
So, ito seafood stuff natin guys. It's a mix of seafood. We are actually honored and happy to be part of this cause.
Yes.
Isa sa mga partner po ng cause na to. And right now, nandito tayo sa Racio. So, check out the place. So, if you're looking for these kinds of, place that you can have,
Chill.
gimmick,
Yes.
no?
So, kaganda naman dito ginawa yung kanilang protein. So, kanina may mga nakita tayong mga for delivery
Yes.
and also for pickup.
Yan. So, we are very thankful sa mga in advance nag-order na. Right after the preparation nila kanina, talagang dineliver
Ready
na.
for delivery na
Ready
sila.
for delivery. And syempre, as soon as, the food is prepared, habang mainit pa, maganda dyan, deliver na natin. Diba?
Yes. So, ako naman titikman ko yung kanilang peri-peri chicken from Frango.
Ito naman yung kanilang lechon baka. Ayan. For the price of 1,000 pesos, nakatulong ka na, busog na busog ka pa.
Actually, dami mong choices. From seafood, mga rice box, even mga desserts mamaya.
Oh, wow, lechon baka. Guys, look at this. Ang laki ng siopaw. Ang laki ng siopaw nito. Oh! Wow! So this one, the siopaw, is from Nanang's. Thanks so much, Nanang's.
Yes. So, akin naman syempre yung kanilang Big Mac na pinagmamalaki ng Susie's.
Susie's Cuisine, thank you so much.
Yes.
Guys, so next namin titignan is these small turons. Ayan, mga
Actually,
bite-sized na turon from Banana Bambah.
Yes. Napaka nila na ay appetizing. Talagang manghihikayat silang kainin mo sila.
Wow! Ang sarap naman ito.
Siyempre, meron din tayong mga dessert from Susie's. Siyempre, yung kanilang kakanin and some piece of cake.
Sulit na sulit kung 1,000 peso coupon natin dito. I mean, for the two of us, if you computed 500 pesos, nabusog ka. The other side naman nun is, syempre, nakatulong tayo para sa mga future project ng JCI. Alright, so to end up our feast dito po is, syempre, kakain naman tayo ng kanilang special na ice candy from Nice. Yan, Nice Ice Candy. Bro, cheers! Congratulations JCI, more power sa inyong mga projects. And congratulations din Tigtigan Terakan for continuing the tradition.
So, alam naman natin na miss natin talaga ang tiktikan tera, lalo na dito sa Balibago, Angeles City.
So, hopefully, ma-realize natin the, above dun sa mga celebration, kasiyahan, yung mga happening, gigs and chill, alalahanin natin kung ano yung dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng tigtigan, terakan, kengdanan, dahil dyan sa resilience ng mga taga Pampanga, particularly Angeles City. Yan. So, right after nung lahar, pinatubo. Ayan. So, nagkaroon tayo ng celebration dahil Kapampangan are mga resilient. Yan. Exactly. So, congratulations again. We're gonna enjoy this one. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure to check out JCI Angeles City Culiat for more of their projects in the future.
So, that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Cheers, bro.